on?
Yes.
Alright, Drake says we're going to go a little
green.
We'll try to get the grooves a little bit bigger here. We're running out of paint though.
That kind of looks cool itself.
Green is taking over.
I don't know if this paint works real good because it's pretty cheap paint.
Ooh.
And it's been outside all winter long.
Andrew, we got another one stuck.
That one was inside.
Yeah, the black one.
I just rolled it. Oh, yeah.
It's a little cold out to be doing this, so it's sticking together a little bit.
I think that's going to look cool, though.
Alright, Drake, go ahead.
I tried.
Nice and slow until it's completely covered.
Oops.
Alright, pull it out, Drake.
Oh, yeah, Drake. I like those colors. Where's the front? Ooh, look at how that red did good. Ooh, we'll have to look over here.
Which one do you guys like better in the comments? Drake's is the darker one, Clay's is the lighter one.
Pick me.
Alright guys, here's the finished product for the Rain Gutter Regatta. We got the dark side and the light side. Why don't you guys take your sails off, slide them up a little bit,
Mine won't.
and we'll show you the hydro dipped with old spray paint. That's the dark one.
The dark side.
And here's the light side. So vote in the comments if you'd like the dark side or the light side to win.